failed to sell for us on Amazon was actually single ingredient supplements. And I think it's because the only differentiator that we had was trying to sell on quality, trying to sell on being better instead of being different. When a lot of people are looking for a lot of different ingredients put into one so that they only had to take one product, having a single ingredient wasn't as appealing, and the market was also just very saturated in the space.
There are many products I could share with you that failed. And I wish I could tell you that my success rate today is 100%. It's not. We're up to like 90% of our products that we launch succeed. There's still that 10% range. So we found these backpacks at 5 and below that were selling for really, really cheap. And it wasn't just 5 and below. They had some like discount at 5 and below. That's like a discount on top of a discount. And so we bought them and we threw them on Amazon. Didn't do well at all. It just sat there. So then we took them back and we stuffed them with all these ideas. We basically built out these packs to prepare for school, sent those back in. Now those started to sell, and every time they sold, we made a lot of money, but it never sold. It didn't fail. They did okay, but it never sold enough to really justify going back into it again, because again, I didn't look at the competition and study what other people are doing. Look, if there are 30 different sellers crushing in this area, and I just come in and try to do the same thing, what are my chances of succeeding? I need to fix a problem that no one else is fixing, and the best way to find that is by studying the critical reviews.
I created a custom baby carrier. The problem is I chose like a character, like a little elephant character, instead of just doing like a pattern, and it failed miserably. And the reason why is because so many other people thought, man, if there was just different patterns that we could choose from, we'd buy the carriers. So I probably only sold a small handful, and the rest was a complete flop.
Hey, are you looking for a fast and accurate all-in-one Amazon software tool with the most accurate Amazon data on the planet? Tools that have helped thousands of Amazon sellers make more money? Helium 10 has everything you need in one powerful software suite. And when I say everything, I mean everything. Product research, keyword research, listing optimization, hijacker alerts, keyword tracking, refunds, and a lot more. Helium 10 can reduce hundreds of hours of work to just seconds. So check out Helium 10 for free today by heading over to helium10.com.